Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is a video number 17 and in this video we will learn sum, average, mean, max function. So let's start. So let's see the first sum function, and here you can see in this data I have a salary column. So here I'm going to calculate the sum total amount of all salary. Okay, so I select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the sum and use here the tab key, and after that select the range of data. So I select here, just drag with the mouse and select here entire column. You can see D2 to D6. D is the column name and 2 is a row number. Okay, D2 to D6. Then bracket closed and enter, and here you can see the sum amount is calculated. Second way, you can use shortcut key Alt is equal to and just enter, and that's it. You can quickly calculate the sum total. And the third way, simply select the cell, go to the home tab. In editing, here you can see the sum icon here showing, just click on it and that's it. Press the enter and here you can see your sum amount is calculated. That's it. So next, the average function. Okay, so here I'm going to calculate the average salary of this data. So I select the cell, use the is equal to and enter here the average, and here the first select average function, then select the range of data and bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here you can see the average amount is calculated of this salary. The second way, simply remove this. I just place the delete key of the keyboard and go to the home tab. In editing group have a function icon, just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the second option is average. Just click on it and here you can see automatically range here selected. Press the enter and that's it, your average is calculated. The third way, you can quickly calculate the average. Simply select the entire column and after select, you can see here the corner have a quick analysis icon here indicate. Just click on it and go to the total tabs and click on the average, and that's it. You can quickly calculate your average amount of salary. So next, mean function. To find the smallest value from the range of numbers, you can use here the minimum function. So here in this data, in salary column, I'm going to find the smallest salary amount. So I select the cell, use the is equal to, enter here the mean and select the mean function, then select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. You can see the 32,000 is a minimum salary from this data. Okay, this is a 32,000. Okay, and other amount is greater than 32,000. Okay, so that's it. So next, max function. The max function in Excel used to find the highest value from the list or range of number. So in this data I have a salary column. So in this salary column I'm going to find the maximum salary amount. Okay, simply select the cell, use the is equal to, in the use here the max function and select the range of data. Just drag with the mouse and select here range of column and bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the 55,000 is maximum salary in this range of data. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.